Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove stand for Dell P2212HB. So this is a 22-inch monitor. I'm going to remove the stand and show you how. So let's turn it around and put the monitor in a plain surface and lift the stand a bit up. As you can see, there is a clip here. So if you push this button and lift the stand up, it will come off. So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to put the stand in, so clip it in and then just push the clip in. I'll show you again. So push the button here and then lift the stand up. It will come off. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you find this video helpful.